Hi, my name is Richard Roth. I live in Chico, California. It's about halfway down the Sacramento River Valley. And I'm here to tell you about a project I want to implement. It's called Riding the Grizzly. And it's an agrarian boot camp to jumpstart a whole bunch of new American farmers. We've got a couple problems, big ones. The obesity and diabetes pandemic that our country faces is a real serious issue. Our kids are overweight, they're undernourished, they are showing signs of the early onset of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. I expect the current generation of kids to live shorter, sicker lives than their parents. And it's based upon our unhealthy lifestyles. But those unhealthy lifestyles are also based and result from public policy. I'm hoping that my project addresses those public policies while at the same time addressing the other problem that we've got, which is we don't have the farmers that we need to solve the first problem. Right now, the average age of the American farmer is 57 years old, and every year it gets older. The ratio of farmers who are 55 and older to those that are 55 and younger is 18 to 1. We expect half of our American farmers to retire or die in the next 10 years, which means that every year we lose about 5% of American farmers. So if you're a nutritionist or a health person, you know that increasingly those organizations are looking for this field to table venue, like farmers markets, like backyard gardens, but like community gardens and school gardens, as being a solution, one of the key elements of a solution to that problem. And yet we have this crisis in agriculture. So that's where the Riding the Grizzly came from. I'll show you an illustration of why I call it Riding the Grizzly on another video. But the idea is to start at the top of the watershed in the valley, in Redding, and taking groups of 35 young or new farmers and ranchers down the valley, traveling by bicycle and kayak down the Sacramento, and visiting hundreds of farms along the way. In the meantime, we'll be teaching classes in ag marketing, displays, nutrition information, cooking, value-added products, and socializing, trying to network all of these little agricultural education programs that we've got out there but have been dying on the vine. Our high school ag programs are though they're great, they're on decline. They aren't being financed like they should be focused on. But tying this whole network from junior high, high school, college, and university together as we work our way down. And part of the whole process would be for these young farmers to be networking and finding elder mentors. Hopefully as many as 3. So that would be one of the goals. As we spend these 3 weeks working our way down the valley from Redding to Sacramento, about 165 miles, but we're going to be doing a lot of diversions across both sides of the Sacramento River and up into the foothills, looking at the different ecological niches and farming niches, ag production niches available, and giving these enthusiastic young people ideas of what best suits them, what they are most interested in, the options available, the support networks that can be called upon, how to get financing, how to get access to land, transportation issues, bookkeeping, how to promote yourself at a farmer's market. What kind of infrastructure do we need to get local food into hospitals and schools in a big way, not a small way, a big way. So that's basically the project, and I'm going to be putting up a lot more videos talking about some of these different ideas that I haven't been able to address in this one. So stay tuned, and please sign up. Let's get this puppy on the road. Thanks a lot.